Hey guys, today we're going to talk about cylinders. Cylinders are three-dimensional objects whose bases are circles. Okay, and we see lots of examples of these, especially when we go to the grocery store. Okay, we have our cans, okay, and then our trusty peanut butter jar, and this is a nuts container. Okay, so we have our containers that we see, and if we were to slice these open and form a net, you could see that we have our circular bases, okay, and then what would be left over is the lateral face, which ends up being a rectangle. Okay, basically the label that goes around the can is a rectangle. Okay, so we will start talking today about surface area of a cylinder. And surface area is going to use the formula 2 pi times the radius times the height plus 2 pi r squared. Okay, so this portion here is going to be for the lateral faces, and then this portion here is going to be to find the area of the two circular bases. Let's look at an example. In this example, I have a radius of 5 and a height of 10 inches. Let me move our cans out of the way. So we're going to find the area of the lateral face first. So it's going to be 2 times 3.14 times the radius, which is 5, times the height. 2 times 3.14 is 6.28. The radius of 5 times the height of 10 leaves me with 50. And then 6.28 times 50 leaves me with 314 inches, and that is just for the lateral face. Then I need to find the area of the circular base. So 3.14 times 5 squared. Okay, we're going to use pi r squared for that. So 3.14 times 25 leaves me with 78.5, and that is just for one circular base. Okay, but there are two bases. Okay, there's this base here and this base here. So 78.5 times 2 leaves me with 157. And then that is the area of the both circular bases. Then I take the area of the lateral face and the area of both circular bases, so 314 plus 157, add those together, and I get my final surface area total of 471 inches squared. Alright, one more example. In this case, I've got a diameter of 8 and a height of 9 meters. Okay, so finding the lateral face first. 2 times 3.14, so 2 times pi. So I only need the radius, so half of 8 in this case is going to be 4 times the height, which is 9. 2 times 3.14 is 6.28. 4 times 9 is 36. Multiply 36 and 6.28 together, we get 226.08, and that again is for the lateral face, the label. Okay, now we need to find the area of the circular bases. So 3.14 again times 4, because we only need the radius, and then that 4 is squared. 3.14 times 16 leaves me with 50.24. So 50.24 meters is the circular base. But there are two of them. Again, there's the top and the bottom. So 50.24 times 2 leaves me with 100.48. So then I take the area of the two bases and area of the lateral face, add them together, so that should be 48, plus 226.08, and I get 326.56 meters squared. So that is it for surface area of a cylinder. We will see you in class. Oosh.